Chinese tech giant and BBK subsidiary OPPO today held a launch event in China where 3 Reno 6 series models were launched. The 3 models include the Reno 6, Reno 6 Pro, and Reno 6 Pro Plus. The models live up to OPPO quality standard with the pricing of the base model starting at 2,799 yuan, $438, and this is OPPO Reno 6 Pro Plus, the star product of the pack and outclasses the Reno 6 and Reno 6 Pro in several aspects. The OPPO Reno 6 Pro Plus 5G feature a 6.55-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and a pixel density of 402 pixels per inch to deliver rich graphics. The smartphone is supposed to sport a bezel-less punch-hole design with an aspect ratio of 20:9. But sadly, you only get 90 Hz refresh rate support onboard. It weighs 188 grams and is 7.99 mm thick. The Reno 6 Pro Plus features an improved camera setup which includes a 50-megapixel Sony IMX766 main camera. The setup also includes a 16-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, a 13-megapixel telephoto, and a 2-megapixel macro lens with LED flash onboard. On the front, the device has a 32-megapixel selfie shooter. The device also support camera features like auto flash, autofocus, bokeh effect, continuous shooting, exposure compensation, face detection, geo-tagging, high dynamic range mode, HDR, ISO control, optical image stabilization, touch to focus, white balance presets. The OPPO Reno 6 Pro Plus 5G is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 SoC processor coupled with an Adreno 650 GPU. The smartphone paired with up to 12 GB RAM and up to 256 GB storage, or 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, which is non-expandable. The heat dissipation is also upgraded to a full-size VC liquid cooling system. The premium smartphone equally packs a 4500 mAh battery and has support for 65W Super Flash charging. OPPO Reno 6 Pro Plus 5G run Color OS on top of Android 11 out of the box. In terms of connectivity, the smartphone support 5G, Dual SIM Volt, Nano Plus Nano, Wi-Fi 802.11, B/gram, N, GPS, NFC, and Bluetooth 5.1. Moreover, we might also get to see a USB Type-C port and an on-screen fingerprint scanner. OPPO Reno 6 Pro Plus is priced at 3,999 Chinese yuan, roughly 45,500 rupees, for the 8GB plus 128 GB storage option and 4,499 Chinese yuan, roughly 51,200 rupees, for the 12GB plus 256 GB storage variant. The Reno 6 Pro Plus is available in 2 color schemes dubbed Moon Sea and Summer Sunny Sea. These phones will be up for reservations via the company's online store starting today.
真的是少儿险，而且音质不错的。我们再听个渡口啊，因为这一次呢，它确实是更新了少儿系，让我很开心，所以必须给大家多展示一下。得听一个渡口。
来轻轻抽出我的手，是那